How many hours do we have in a day? Answer 24 hours. How many days do we have in a week? Answer 7 days. How many days are there in a normal year? Answer 365 days, not a leap year. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Answer 7 colors. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Answer camel. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer 26 letters. How many sides are there in a triangle? Answer 3. Which month of the year has the least number of days? Answer February. Which are the vowels in the English alphabet series? Answer A, E, I, O, U. Which animal is called King of Jungle? Answer Lion. How many primary colors are there? Answer 3. Red, blue, yellow. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? Answer 29 days. What do you call a house made of ice? Answer igloo. Which is the largest animal in the world? Answer blue whale. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Answer giraffe. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Answer Holi. Which festival is called the Festival of Light? Answer Diwali. What is the top color in a rainbow? Answer red. What type of bird lays the largest eggs? Answer ostrich. Which festival is known as the Festival of Flowers? Answer Onam. In which direction does the sun rise? Answer east. Which is the world's largest flower? Answer Rapsilia arnoldii. How many zeros are there in 100,000? Answer 5. How many hours are there in 2 days? Answer 48 hours. How many months of the year have 31 days? Answer 7 months. How many weeks are there in 1 year? Answer 52 weeks. Which are the colors in a rainbow? Answer violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. How many bones does an adult human have? Answer 206 bones. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer Neil Armstrong. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? Answer 10 millimeter. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Answer Sun. Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer Nile. Which is the principal source of energy for earth? Answer Sun. How many lungs does the human body have? Answer 2 lungs. What is the standard taste of the water? Answer water is tasteless. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer Mount Everest. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Answer cheetah. Which continent is known as dark continent? Answer Africa. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer Mars. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer skin. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer Pacific Ocean. Which day is observed as World Environment Day? Answer June 5. How many years are there in a century? Answer 100 years. Which is the largest country in the world? Answer Russia. Who invented the computer? Answer Charles Babbage. How many players are there in a cricket team? Answer 11 players. Which day is observed as World Literacy Day? Answer September 8. Who is the inventor of radio? Answer Marconi. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Answer Tibet. How many teeth does a healthy adult have including the wisdom teeth? Answer 32 teeth. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer nitrogen. How many people are there in the world? Answer over 7 billion. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Answer Africa. Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Answer tooth decay. How many strings does a violin have? Answer 4. How many planets are there in our solar system? Answer 8 planets. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? Answer Africa. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer Australia. How many years are there in a millennium? Answer 1000 years. Which country is home to the kangaroo? Answer Australia. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer Leonardo da Vinci. Who invented the telephone? Answer Alexander Graham Bell. What does the Internet prefix www stand for? Answer World Wide Web. How much of Earth's surface is covered by ocean? Answer 71%. Who discovered penicillin in 1928? Answer Alexander Fleming. How many stars are there in the American flag? Answer 50 stars. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Answer pentagon. Which way is anti-clockwise, left or right? Answer left. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? Answer 2 equal sides. Which is the coldest location in the earth? Answer East Antarctica. Who discovered electricity? Answer Benjamin Franklin. Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Answer Mandarin, Chinese. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? Answer nose and ears. The largest democracy in the world? Answer India. Who is the inventor of television? Answer John Logie Baird. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Answer Tibetan Plateau. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Answer Pygmomanometer. What color symbolizes peace? Answer white. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Answer Bill Gates. During which year did World War I begin? Answer 1914. How many cricket World Cups does India have? Answer 2 cups, 1983 and 2011. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Answer carbon dioxide. How many cards are there in a complete pack of cards? Answer 52 cards. What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? Answer the Amazon. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Answer Ivory Coast and Ghana. What makes up 80% of our brain's volume? Answer water. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Answer anemometer. Stars and Stripes is the nickname of the flag of which country? Answer: United States of America. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Answer: Binary language. What covers approximately 71% of Earth's surface, land or water? Answer: Water. Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? Answer: Diamond. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Answer: France. What is the name of the Greek god of music? Answer: Apollo. What does the SIM in the SIM card stand for? Answer: Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the first element on the periodic table of elements? Answer: Hydrogen. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Answer: India. What is the largest joint in the human body? Answer: Knee. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer: Stapes, hair bone. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer: Barometer.